everyone. Today we are going to learn 4 letters, how these letters sound in English, and we are going to read some words beginning with these letters. The first letter is S. The sound of this letter is S, S, S. The second letter is A. The sound of this letter is E, E, E. The third letter is T. The sound of this letter is T, T, T. And the fourth letter is P. The sound of this letter is P, P, P. Okay, now let's look at some words beginning with these letters. The letter S sounds S, as in snake, snake, snake. Sun, sun, sun. Sit, sit, sit. The letter A sounds E, 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 as in end, end, end. X, X, X. Apple, apple, apple. The letter T sounds T, 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 as in tap, tap, tap. Tin, tin, tin. Top, top, top. The letter P sounds P, 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 as in pen, pen, pen. Pot, pot, pot. Peas, peas, peas. Right, now let me show you how do we combine 3 letters to form words. The first word is S, E, T. S, E, T. Now let's combine these letters. S, E, se, se, set, set, set. Second one. P, E, T. Now let's combine these letters. P, E, pe, 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 t, pet, pet. The third word. T, E, p, t, e, te, t, e, te, te, p, tap, tap. Kids, so we have learned 4 letters that are S, A, T, P and how they sound in English. We have also read some words containing these letters and how to combine letters to form words. All for now, see ya in our next lesson. Bye bye!